Look how much reflection there is on my glasses. Unbelievable. Anyway, I got my glasses on because I'm about to leave. I have to drive to therapy, having my shrink session, and then I really have to clean up in here today. Gonna do a little spring cleaning. Gonna take you with me on the journey. Maybe do a little cooking. I don't know. This is like not a weekly snap. This is a daily snapshot today. There's the Bean. He had a nice walk this morning and he played in the hall. He had a lot of fun, and he has very dirty feet. Actually, they look a little cleaner now that they're dry, but oh my gosh, I'll put a little picture of how dirty his feet were when he came back from the walk. That is why sometimes he wears boots. Right, bud? Keep clean feet? Okay. All right, bye. Cameras are running. Woo, woo, woo. We got one right there. Here he comes. And we got one right there, so I can see the whole apartment. I can see what he's doing because I'm that kind of dog mom. Okay, bye. Bye. Have a good time. Bye. Have a good nap. I don't know why I go to therapy and do my makeup beforehand, because I always cry. Always. But you know, maybe I should do the waterproof makeup before I go. Anyway, good session. Working through some things. Very, very, very nice. I'm back. This one is very happy. Very happy I'm back, right? Said that tail is wagging. He's so happy. Hello. I'm happy to see you too. Got some stuff from Target. I got a refill of the Method Antibacterial Cleaner. I got the Mint Cleaner from Mrs. Meyer's because limited edition. Yay, I love it. Get it every spring. And I got some throat coat tea because I was out of that. And some hazelnut K-Cups from Dunkin' Donuts because I had a hankering. I have like a love-hate relationship with hazelnut, but right now, I really, really want it. So I'm gonna have some hazelnut coffee, maybe a little sweetie, and I'll get to cleaning because we got a situation. It's not that bad, but the living room definitely, we got some stuff going on. I don't know what happened. We got this, we gotta clean up this one too. The floor is gross and a mess. And sadness, right now my Brava 380T is broken. One of the wheel treads has come loose, so I have to send it to iRobot to get it repaired. Yay, for $80. Yay. Bed's not made. Totally off my game. And we got a situation in the bathroom. Like, I was doing my hair, but I shed all over the place, so look at all of the little hairs. Can we focus? Focus on the, yeah, look. Just all around. Like, really gross. On the floor, too. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up, right, buddy? Yeah. Honestly, I need to do a deep cleaning in like every room because it's like it's spring cleaning time. So I'm gonna get on that. But first, I'm gonna eat. Okay, I have got to get motivated, and it's really hard to get motivated because I really want to build and play in The Sims. My Sims addiction is at the height right now, and it's really difficult to get anything done when you just want to build houses in The Sims. Like, look at all the cute houses on the gallery that people have built. Like, that's so cute. Like, look at this house. Oh my gosh, don't you want to move into that? It's so cute. And I'm proud of my own builds too. This is like my perfect family home for one of my Sim families, and it's so cute. It was based off a house I saw when I was down visiting in Maryland, and it's one of my favorite houses to play in. So cute. It's even got a pool, you guys. Hey, I'm turning off the game. We're turning off the game. Save and exit. We're turning off the game because we have to clean. Right, Clover? Right? Dirty dishes in the sink. Clean dishes in the dishwasher. K-cups everywhere. What? Clover's like, what is going on? You know, so still have this on the floor, but I have the Roomba going, but I stopped it because I was going to talk to you guys. So if I can get this done in 2 hours, I'll be happy, right, buddy? We're going to set the clock for 2 hours. If I don't get it done in 2 hours, that's like a huge issue because I just want to have it clean and so I can relax and start the weekend out right. Right, you guys, right? All right, let's do this thing. Getting the motivation to clean is one of the hardest things I've done this week. I really didn't have any motivation to get the apartment clean, but there was just dirt everywhere and dust piling up and things just all around the place. I know it doesn't look too bad compared to other spaces, but for me, this was a really messy house, and you could even see a tuft of fur on the floor there. There was hair everywhere. The dishes were a huge task for me this week because I'm using these new silicone baking mats. I'm trying them out. So far, loving them, but it is very important that they get clean, and it took me so long to clean them because I had baked some stuff on there last night. It was an entire disaster. It looks like I need new dishwashing gloves. Look. Okay, time to go shopping. There's something about putting the dishes away when they're clean in the dishwasher that is also super unpleasant. I hate doing it. It's one of my least favorite chores, but I was pushing through. I had some jams going, so I felt a little bit better. I forgot about how much I hated it just because I had the jams on, and cleaning the sink is one of the more satisfying things I can do in my day. I don't know why. It gets so shiny and clean when I put the Bon Ami in there and just like brush it down and scrape it and all the food and junk comes off. It's amazingly satisfying, and I love it. I love it so much. I also am trying to use exclusively microfiber cloths except for in the bathroom, so I'm actually running out of them. So I was using my last fluffy microfiber cloth, and I just have to do a laundry load of microfiber. Putting everything away is super satisfying. This kitchen and this apartment, if anything is out of place, it feels really cluttered and uncomfortable. Since I was on a cleaning spree anyway, I figured I might as well empty the trash because, that makes you feel good when there's an empty trash can. Am I right? Anyway, I was going to take it to recycling too, and I always wonder what happens to Clover when I go to the trash room, and it's not very exciting. Just giving the living room couch just a little bit of a spruce up. So here's the deal. I get a lot of questions about the bedding. I think that the bedding doesn't matter. I think that if you spend a lot of time, like I do, really smoothing out the bedding, it's going to look good. And this is really weird, but I actually am going to vacuum one of the pillowcases. It had some dog fur on it. Clover does sleep here. I know I should probably just change the pillowcase, but I'm gonna let it go for one more night. He sleeps behind my head at night. It's a thing. We've been doing it for a couple of years, and there was some fur on it, and okay, don't judge. Anyway, I spend a lot of time smoothing out the comforter and the duvet. I just want it to look like really marshmallowy and perfect. So you can see me just endlessly going and smoothing and trying to work it out. It's a little bit over the top, but it works for me. And there's some dust and lint on the bed, which I vacuumed off as well. And then I just put the finishing touch on there, the pillow, and then I was done. Yay. All right, it's my favorite place to clean. Not. But it's not so bad today. Just have some stuff out from this morning, so I'm just gonna put this away and hopefully make this a quick one, although I do want to do, the shower is just upsetting. So we're definitely gonna do some shower action, but to clean up the stuff, not too bad. I usually clean the shower when I'm in the shower, but today I wanted to do a very, very good job. So I am using the Common Good glass cleaner and the bergamot scent, and it smells really good. I really like these products. I just can't find them. And I ordered from the website. I actually did a review on these products. I will link, I'll put it in a card up above. I really like them, but yeah, they're hard to get. Anyway, I sprayed the sides of the shower with the Method anti-bac cleaner and let that sit for a little bit. And then I just went in with a microfiber cloth just to get them all nice and shiny. I love using a really fine thread microfiber cloth for this job. The kind of microfiber that you are supposed to use on glass. It actually gets the inside of the shower really, really clean. And then I just moved with the same cloth onto the glass. Hello, how are you? And it gets it really clean, and it doesn't leave any streaks like a paper towel or a cotton cloth. So I highly recommend trying to clean with a microfiber cloth. The fun thing about cleaning glass is sometimes when you're cleaning it, you don't know whether the stains and marks are on the inside or on the outside. And it can make you feel just a little bit crazy. Do you know what I mean? You're like, well, did I clean that? Is it on the outside or the inside? What's happening? What is life? I find that the same thing happens with like spiders and bugs. Like you don't know if they're on the outside or inside of your car sometimes. You have the windshield and you like freak out and then it's really on the outside and you didn't need to freak out. You know what I mean? Y'all know what I mean. Anyway, I was cleaning the walls too.
So this razor blade holder came off the wall, so I'm going to give it a little bit of a wipe down with some alcohol and put it back because occasionally it does that. These suction things, they're not perfect. You know what I mean? All right, I wasn't able to push this little plastic thing all the way through, but potentially it could come apart again, but I think it'll be okay for now.
All right, it's back up. We'll see if I have to buy a new one. But it seems to be on here pretty secure, so I'm happy with it. All right, I'm almost done. The only thing I have left to do is clean the microwave and dust a little bit. And then we're almost done. It's Clover's new thing now to like chill by the door. This makes it hard for me to know when he actually has to go pee. But he likes to sleep here now. How am I supposed to know when you have to go to the bathroom? I'm confused. Help your mom and dad, please. Okay, now I have to manual mop because the Brava is broken. There. I've been very spoiled by the iRobot Brava that does mopping for me. I'm used to having a machine do it for me, so I'm very sad that it's broken. But anyway, I am doing a pretty good job with my O-Cedar mop here and some Good for Wood or Wood for Good method cleaner. I never can remember whether it's Wood for Good or Good for Wood. I feel like it's Wood for Good. I don't know. I'll correct it on the screen. I have no idea. One of these days and it won't be long, he'll know more about me than he should. All right, I'm done after an hour and 40 minutes of singing and cleaning. What is on your cleaning playlist? I want to know. I had Michael Jackson, which I have mixed feelings about right now because HBO. I have Aladdin, the original Aladdin from the 90s, The Lion King was on my list. I also In Vogue, the original In Vogue. You guys remember In Vogue? And Chess, the musical, as you saw. So these are the things that keep me motivated by cleaning. So I want to know down in the comment below, what is on your cleaning playlist? Let me know. What do you jam to when you're doing like probably the most annoying house chores ever? All right, you guys, I hope you found this I hope you found this video inspirational, and I will see you in the next one. I gotta take Clover out to pee because I don't know if he needs to go or not. You want to go pee? Yeah? You want?